Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to change oil in my Honda CRV and also 2012 Honda Accord as well. Let me show you. I'm already set up my Honda CRV on the ramps. I got the Penzo 0W20 oil right here, a little bit cheaper than the mobile one. As you can see, 0W20 full synthetic oil. That's what the requirement is of this car. And I have this oil filter as well. So after changing this, and have to change oil in the Honda Accord as well. So one step further, for that one I have to clean from inside and then put on the sale. I'll take it to the inspection and after that put for the sale. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go underneath and open the bolt and remove all the oil. This car is actually burning oil. Last time I showed you guys that I replaced, there's a PCV off right there, replaced that one, and I was supposed to fix the oil burning issue, but it did not. I'm changing the oil after 5,000 miles, but when I look at the oil with the dipstick, there was no oil available. So yeah, so I took it to the mechanics. Remember I make a short video that makes a little bit clicking noises when I start the car up when it's cold, and that when he was about to check, he said there is no oil in it. That's probably why. But when I changed the oil last time, I check when the cold start, it still make those noises. But he said these are old engine. After 100,000 mile, most engine does that. So either you can live with it, or if you want to fix it, it's gonna be probably a big job to fix it. So yeah, without any further delay, I'm gonna change the oil. Alright guys, so here's the oil that comes out. As you can see, I thought the car burns oil, but it seemed like you have to leave the car 10 minutes off when you park and then check the oil level, because I think all the oil was up in the engine and not in the pan. That's why the mechanic could not check with the dipstick. It was showing on the low level. So here it is. This tray is 7/4 tray, so as you can see, there's plenty of oil in this car. So yeah, time to put the new one. Alright guys, so the oil change is done in the CRV. So I don't have the engine air filter yet for both cars, which I'm going to replace later on. I already ordered from Amazon, so that I will do later. So I did not replace the oil filter in the Honda CRV because last time I put the advanced oil filter that can last up to 20,000 miles, so I'll keep it at least for 10,000 miles, and then I'll replace with the next oil change. So yeah, now I'm gonna do the and in the Honda Accord, and then we'll wrap this video up. Alright guys, so the oil change is done on the both car, and the engine filter I'm going to replace later on. I already ordered from Amazon, so it's going to take a little bit, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Actually, let me show you how to reset the oil life light reading in the Honda Accord. Show you guys for the CRV. So here is it. So if you go here, normal, you press this button, 2 3, now hold, keep pressing, here you go. So now you have to hold it again, and it should be resetting. There you go, now it's 100%. Gotta just change the oil in this car. So let's just reset the trip A, trip B. There you go. So that's it for today. Next video I'll check the brake, why the brake light is on, and I will show you guys what's the fix for that, since this light, this handbrake is down or up, the light does not go off at all, so I have to fix that as well. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next one.